Hi friends, today I am discussing about the advanced activation functions. So in this topic I am discussing about the GELU activation function and how to implement this function from scratch using Python. So let's go into theory about the GELU activation function. GELU, what is GELU? GELU means Gaussian Error Linear Unit. It is the abbreviation of the GELU function. Why GELU came into picture? Because we have so many activation functions. Why we move forward with the GELU? Because activation functions enable faster and better convergence of neural networks. And also dropout regularizes the model by randomly multiplying a few activations by zero. So this is the dropout and the activation functions working. So why don't we combine these two ideas? Because dropout also reduces the increases the performance of neural networks. Activation functions also improve the performance of neural networks. Then why we don't combine these two functions? Based upon this idea, GELU came into picture. Both of the above methods together decide a neuron's output, but they do work independently. So dropout do work independently, activation functions do work independently. So why we can't combine them? So due to this, GELU came into picture. So GELU, what is GELU? So this is the formula of the GELU, and it uses, I already said abbreviation, Gaussian error linear unit. It uses Gaussian distribution and error function. So this is the error function formula. And why we choose Gaussian distribution? Because neurons input follow normal distribution after batch normalization. So how GELU works? The GELU nonlinearity weights inputs by their percentile rather than gates inputs by their sign. All activations works based upon the sign of the input. If you give positive dimensions, ReLU some works. If you give negative dimensions, the ReLU can't give output. But GELU will not work based upon the sign, so it works based upon the percentage. So this is the main difference between GELU and remaining activation functions. So we multiply your neuron input by Bernoulli distribution, and this is the pi of x. So this is the main standard Gaussian distribution. What is pi of x? Pi of x is a standard Gaussian cumulative distribution function. So why e of mx equal to x of e, the output of any activation function should be deterministic, not stochastic. So we find the expected value of our transformation. So activation functions, what they do, it transform the output. So we need output. So that's why I take they take expectations. So output should be expected and deterministic. So they take x is the input and they transform into pi of x. So pi of x is the Gaussian distribution. Since m is a Bernoulli distribution and a random variable, its expected value is pi of x. So m is pi of x. So we take m as a pi of x. How pi of x will be calculated? Pi of x is calculated with the error function. So that's why it is called as a Gaussian error linear unit, because it consists of pi of x. Why it consists of pi of x? Because we need expected value. We need output. So we take expectation function. So m is the will be equal to pi of x. So this is the error function. How the we need to implement? We need some functions to implement. So this is the error function. 0.5 into 1 plus tan h of square root of 2 by pi into x plus 0.0014715 x cube. So based upon this formula, I am implementing this activation function. So this is the theory about the GELU activation function. Let's go for implementation part. And these are the important libraries. And this is the implementation. So I am writing a function as GELU, and I am returning 0.5 into x into 1 plus I am it has tan h function. So I am taking np dot tan h of, and it has a square root function, square root by 2 by pi. So I am taking np dot square root of 2 by pi, and it has pi. So I am importing math, and from that I am taking pi, and I'm multiplying with x plus 0.0444715 into x into t has cube. I am implementing this. After, we need to visualization how the GALU function will be look like. So I am taking matplotlib library, and I'm giving the range of x value from negative to positive. So this is the GALU activation function. It's look like. So this is all about the GALU activation function, friends. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please press bell icon. Thank you.